YouTube, Eric DIY here with another review for you. Tonight we're going to review the Sofirn SP32A version 2.0 flashlight. So I originally reviewed the Sofirn SP32A flashlight before this. This is the version 2.0, and there's a lot of similarities, and there's one big difference, or maybe even two, is that this one seems a little bit brighter, and it has this button right here that lights up green or red based on the battery life. So the version 2 has improved over the original version. Please look below in the description for a link to the original review of the Sofirn SP32A, as it's very close to this model, just has a couple more features on version 2.0 that you see here. It comes with all the same accessories as the SP32A. You have your charging cable, you have your charger, the battery's inside. It's a 3000 milliamp hour 18650 size lithium ion 3.7 volt battery. I charged it with solar power, and I've used it a lot. I didn't just go and review this one, I used it a lot, and actually I do like the features of the version 2.0 compared to the original. And the fact that you can tell when it's low in battery, so you know when to charge it. It does include the lanyard, by the way, too, and it has the same clip. It also seems to not get as hot when you're using it for a long time. Even though it says hot and it warns you, it's not like it's scalding hot. It just gets warm to the touch when you use it for a long time. It has the same four modes as before. You have your low, your medium, your high, and your extra high. I'm going to show you a video of what it looks like in an outdoor situation. We used it to help us with the Christmas lights. So Zach and I have used the Sofirn SP32A version 2 to set up our Christmas display this year. Came in really handy when running cords, right Zach? And just to show you how bright it is, we have the Christmas lights on. We're not done yet, still on the first night, but if you see, we have some projections going on. And I'm going to flash the SP32A at its highest bright setting, and we'll see what it looks like on the house. So here we go, projector and SP32. You can see it lights up the whole house. Very high lumens, very good, and again it's adjustable. So if we push the button once, it'll go to lowest setting. You can't see much there. That's the medium setting, high setting, and extra high setting. It's just a great flashlight, very versatile. It also has that other mode where if you hold down the power button, it'll flash 3 times, and then the next mode is you just hold down the button and it will dim, and it'll also get brighter. So just an awesome feature, just like the SP32. Great feature, and I've used this a lot. I've only charged it once since getting it. Is that it also has a light on it to tell you when the battery's dying. So we've used this an awful lot, and the battery is needing recharging because it's flashing red. It'll stay green when it has a good battery charge. So Zach has the Sofirn SP32A version 2 right now, and we're just gonna go check some cables like we were doing today. So let's go check some cables, bud. Let's make sure they're all good. And as you can see, this is the highest, brightest setting. Very bright. And we have a snowman over there, so let's go check the cables over there, bud. Make sure everything looks good, okay? And actually, you could see everything. You can see all the cables that we need. Everything came out great. And we'll go check the other cables. So this flashlight is amazing to use outdoors. Camping would be amazing. Very bright. You can see my Star Trek Noom. Moving on. Had some landscape lights I had to pull, but you can see all the cables. And I'm going all the way back to the house there. You can see everything that's going on. This nice little Christmas display here. And finally to the Wi-Fi outlet in the back that's controlling everything. This year we're going with Alexa enabled on the Christmas lighting. So it's an awesome feature. And I did do a review on that Wi-Fi outlet. I'll leave a link in the description below to that. But as you can see, it definitely served the purpose for this year's Christmas display. Did an awesome job. Can you even highlight your 5-year-old son? Sorry, it's so bright. Oh my God, I got brighter. So that wasn't even the brightest setting. There you go. How's that? Is that better? Okay. We also have to go get the ladder, which is out there. I'll go brightest setting on that. So you can see the ladder. That's about a good 15 feet away. So Sofirn, you've made another awesome flashlight once again. The Sofirn SP32A version 2 is also awesome for outdoor work during the night. I have to go get the batteries out of my Arlo camera, my Arlo security camera, and charge them. So I'm going to go up that ladder and let Zach hold the flashlight, which is even better. Gotta take it down, get the batteries out, and charge them. But very easy with the SP32A. And now Zach is leading our way back into the house. And again, if you're camping, this has some excellent light that it throws off to see your path. So, by the way, on the camera, it doesn't show full brightness, so it's even brighter than what you're seeing on camera. There's not much I can do about that, just the way the camera picks up light. And here we are at the entrance, and we're gonna go inside for the night. As far as charging the SP32A version 2, it comes with everything you need. It comes with a charger and a micro USB cable. We're actually going to use our BioEnerpower solar battery. We did a review on this quite a number of months ago. We'll leave a link in the description below, but that effectively makes this solar powered. All you do is you just plug it into a USB outlet of some sort, and I'm going to turn it on here for DC power. This is now energized, as you see, and we're going to put the battery right on there, and it'll take a little while to charge, but it will charge. It shows you a red light, and then when it's green, it's fully charged. Really compact charger, something that you could stick in your back pocket or in a small bag, and it's only drawing 4 watts, so it's not that bad. I used it for hours. That was my first charge. This is my second charge ever. Overall, I have to highly recommend the Sofirn SP32A version 2.0. The first version was good enough already. I used it for camping. I used it like outdoors all the time. Car repairs, looking at the car and the hood during the night. It's coming really handy. It's very compact, but this version 2 has taken up just a step further. You have better functionality on selecting the 2 different modes that it can do. It has the battery light there, which will tell you the power left in the battery. When it's running low, you'll know to charge it rather than just guessing and waiting for the flashlight to turn off. And it doesn't seem to get as hot. Those are the 3 features that make this one better than the SP32A version 1. If you would like to purchase your Sofirn SP32A version 2.0 flashlight, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that you will be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.